Good morning, classmates. Good morning, sir. My discussion is about cycle of refrigeration system. The refrigeration system has a four major parts. First, compression. Second, condenser. Third, expansion valve. Fourth, evaporator. First, compression. Air compressor motor. Compressor squeeze this gas, increasing its pressure and temperature, and the refrigeration exit the compressor as a superheat vapor. Condenser. The refrigerant release its heat to the outside environment, and refrigerant condenses from a vapor into a high pressure liquid. Expansion valve. Expansion valve is a metering device, creating a sudden drop in the pressure and partially vaporize and becoming cold low pressure mixture of liquid and vapor. Evaporator. The evaporator holds the refrigerant absorbed heat from the space you are trying to cool, which then flows back to the compressor to complete the cycle. That's all. Thank you, sir.